Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and nothing helps you get the job done than the right bag. And this Fancy Forest faux leather tote bag has definitely helped me. This is such a sturdy, structured bag. I love that the straps come from the bottom. It's got a piece sewn onto it, but they go all the way across and up on each side, so you can have confidence when you do grab it from the handles. It also has these great clips, very strong metal that is not easy to unclip, so you know it's not going to come undone. Probably one of my favorite things about this bag is the variety of ways you can carry it. You can sling it over your shoulder, you can go diagonally across your body, or you can just grab it and put it over your arms. That probably was my favorite way to hold it. Also appreciated how the zipper part, if you don't want it open, a lot of times then you have to still fight with it, but this actually folds completely flat on the inside. It can just be like a really nice tote bag. My bag divider with my makeup bag fit so well into it. It really let me be able to have a nice, easy day at the office. Now, a nice, fun little secret part of this bag is that when you lift the back flap up, there is a secret pocket, which I loved because I love shoes, but I don't always like walking all day in my shoes. So I have a little bag that has these foldable flats, and it fits perfectly in this secret compartment. I think if you work in an office, or you run a lot of errands, or you're just a bag person and you love bags that are useful, this is a great choice. I highly recommend it. And that is my point of view.